Hey guys, how you doing? This is Adventuring with Braden, and today I'm going to be talking about my trip to Rustlers Gulch. So, Rustlers Gulch, also known as the West Branch Little Spokane Wildlife Refuge, is located just northeast of Deer Park out in Washington State. So from the parking lot and trailhead, what you're going to do is you're going to descend about 1 mile down into a valley. You're going to take this old dirt road, which in this video you can't see the road because it's covered in snow, but it's an old dirt road that you're going to take down into the valley, and as you're hiking down you get some pretty awesome views of the valley itself. Once you've reached the bottom of the valley, depending on the time of the year, you may find some streams. As you go further into the valley, you'll walk up onto this old barn. So hunting is permitted here at the Wildlife Refuge during certain times of the year. Horseback riding here is very popular. The region's dog friendly, and during certain times of the year, you can have your dog off leash. Now the barn itself, word going around the grapevine is that this barn was once used to produce cannabis and to dry cannabis. This is prior to the region becoming a wildlife refuge, though. Also located near the barn within the valley is Fan Lake. At Fan Lake, you'll find the YMCA summer camp. Overall, this is a region that I go to when I want to get out of Spokane and gain a little escape. Quite often, I don't see anybody at the hike and trail, so it's a place I can go to gain some peace and solitude while enjoying beautiful nature. Once again, guys, this is Adventuring with Braden. Have a great day.